If you have bangs, you really should learn how to trim them to keep them at the correct length. Let me show you how easy it is. I usually start right where I part my hair, which is in the middle, and I make a diagonal parting in my hair, just like that. See that my part is basically a triangle on my head. So once you've got the correct thickness, then you're going to pull them down. You do not want to cut your bangs like this. You want to cut them in the angle that they're going to lay. You're going to turn your scissors at a diagonal and you're going to make little V cuts. Make sure you're doing a little at a time and checking in between every cut. Worst thing that you can do is look in the mirror, raise your eyebrows and go to your eyebrows, because once you lower your eyebrows, your bangs are going to be an inch shorter than you anticipated. Keep trimming those bangs until they are the length that you want. I like to add some face framing pieces and blend it into the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to section out some hair right by my hairline, open and close really quickly. So I'm going to start where my bangs are, and you're going to just slightly take some hair off. See how I'm not taking much? It's just going to frame my face. So if I pull it up in a ponytail, I'll be able to add this in with the ponytail and it's going to look super cute.